Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I greatly appreciate you being here. So if you see my last video, then you already know what's up. If not, then here's a quick version. So obviously it's April, which means my birthday month. So I thought it'd be kind of fun for the remainder of the month to put out a few videos in honor of the occasion. So until the end of April, the videos that I will be putting out will be pertaining to my birthday in some kind of way. Whether it has to do with April or the era I was born or something like that. My last video was a 90s inspired makeup tutorial because she's a 90s baby. And then for today, I thought it would be so fun to mimic my birthstone. So if you don't know, April's birthstone is the diamond. I absolutely love that, by the way, because well, she loves diamonds. So obviously I had to pay homage to that in the best way I know how, and that is through makeup. So without any more rambling, if you'd like to see how I did this here, then please keep watching. Alright, so jumping right on in, I have everything done on my face except the eyes, and it's looking a little crazy. All those steps are nothing you guys have not already seen me do before, so I figured I'd just save a lot of time and go ahead and cut straight to the chase, considering this video is pretty much all about the eyes anyways. So the palette that I'm going to be using for this look today is the Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetics. Go ahead and grab the Morphe M441. I'm going to take this light brown shade right here. I'm going to go ahead and start laying that color all the way into my crease as my transition shade. Alright, next I'm just going to move 2 slots over to kind of this orangish terracotta brown right here. And I'm just going to start placing that just a little bit below the light brown shade I just laid down. That lighter brown shade was just a little bit too light, so this is just going to help warm it up. Alright, so next I'm going to be taking the black in the palette. I'm taking this on a Morphe M433. I'm going to start working that all the way into my crease as well, but just keeping it a little bit below the browns in our crease. And then switching over to a clean blending brush, I am just going to kind of blend that out so there's no harsh lines and everything just blends a lot more seamlessly. I'm doing this using small circular motions, and I'm being very, very light-handed with this. I'm going to grab that warmer shade of brown that we used in the crease, and I'm going to go back over that just ever so slightly, not much, just a little bit. Next, I'm just going to move around into cutting my crease. Nothing new here. I'm grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the shade 1.5, and we're going to start carving her out. Alright, so next I'm just going to reach in and grab the shade Gemini, which is a metallic silver. Now I'm just going to start laying that directly on top of that concealer. I'm going to go back in with the black. Just use that to kind of smoke out my outer V. That way the cut crease kind of blends seamlessly into that black that's already there. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my black liner. I'm not going to go too thick with it because we do want to save some room for the glitter and jewels. Alright, so I also went ahead and put a little black liner into my waterline. So now for the lower lash line, I'm going to first go in with the black and just go in and smoke that all out. And then just to warm that up a little bit and also smooth out its edges, I'm going to go in with that warm brown shade that we use in the crease and just start placing that directly below the black. Alright, now it's time for the glitter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Primer, a synthetic concealer brush, and some silver glitter. I'm going to start popping that directly on top of that silver eyeshadow. And so next, to just really amp up that diamond feel and really take it there, I'm going to go in with these little diamond rhinestones that I have. And to stick those on, I'm just going to use the same glitter primer that I use for the actual glitter on my eyes. This part is not at all hard, just simply tedious. And then right there on the very end, I did go a size down with the jewel just so that it fit right there on the edge of that wing, just a little bit better. Alright, so we have all of our jewels laid down. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go right on in with some mascara and lashes. Alright, so lashes are on, even though I don't think you can quite tell. There's a lot happening on the eye. I just feel like these specific lashes aren't as full and dramatic for you to be able to really see them against everything else that's happening here. But they are there, and if I turn to the side, you can see them. So now, like I said in the beginning, I have everything else on except highlight. So we're just going to go ahead and jump straight into that. I'm just going to hop right on over to my Carly Bible palette and dip into this kind of icy white shade here. And lastly, for lips, the one I'm going to be going in with today is by Wet n Wild. It's one of their Mega Last lipsticks, and it's in the shade Vamp It Up. And then for this little extra added fun, I'm going to go back into the Zodiac palette, grab the shade Gemini on my finger. I'm just going to dab a little bit of that on the center of my lips. Kind of take a eyeshadow brush and kind of blend that in together. A little bit of Mario Badescu, shall we? We're done. Alright guys, that is it. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all are just as obsessed with my eyelids in this video as I am. You know she loves the glitter. If you enjoyed this video and you're excited to see what I have next for my little April series, if you could call it that, then please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it more than you will ever know. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one.